Hello everyone, welcome to today's new product launch interview. Our focus today is on Sresky's newly launched Delta S Solar Streetlight, designed for large-scale projects. It provides efficient and sustainable lighting solutions in the harsh environments of Africa, the Middle East, Asia, and Africa. To date, we are honored to have a project manager from Sresky to discuss how these products address the real-world challenges in these regions.
Hello everyone, the Delta S is more than just a high-tech streetlight. It was created to solve the lighting challenges encountered in current projects.
That sounds very relevant. Let's dive into the specific lighting of these products. For streetlights installed on large projects such as bridges and highways, light efficiency is obviously a top priority. I've heard that the Delta S have made significant improvement in this area.
That's right. The Delta S features adjustable angle solar panels, ensuring they are always oriented towards the sun for maximum energy absorption.
How does it perform in real-world scenarios, especially in areas with intense sunlight like Southeast Asia and the Middle East?
That's what we're most proud of. Delta S solar panels are made from high-efficiency monocrystalline silicon glass luminaire, achieving a conversation efficiency of over 23%, even in regions with strong sunlight and significant angle variations, such as the Middle East and Africa. Energy absorption is maximized through flexible panel adjustment. This maintains high charging efficiency whether under the instant summer sun or the slam winter light.
It sounds like this could be very beneficial for countries that rely heavily on solar energy, as well as for high-latitude areas. Even if the road direction change, the solar panel can always face the better light.
Exactly. For large projects like highways and bridges, Delta S ensures efficiency operation around the clock, reducing maintenance costs while enhancing project sustainability.
This design helps customers avoid energy efficiency loss due to change in the sun's angle and ensure that the luminaire is always in optimal working conditions. For large projects, installation and maintenance costs are significant concerns. How does Delta S alleviate the burden of customers?
You are right, which is we adopted a split design. This design not only allows for more flexibility and ease of installation, but also significantly reduce maintenance costs. For example, in a highway project in a large city, engineers can quickly adjust the luminaire configuration based on actual design conditions, even adding more solar panels post-installation without replacing the entire unit.
Such a design can save the time and resources, especially in engineering projects that require quick response.
Exactly. Additionally, the Delta S is really easy to service. The lamp includes a full-code reading function, allowing for quick problem identification and reduced maintenance costs. A modular design means that if one part fails, maintenance group can replace just the faulty components without removing the entire lamp. This is especially beneficial in remote areas or where project lead times are tight, greatly simplifying and lowering maintenance costs.
This targeted design is crucial for large projects. Faster maintenance not only saves costs but also ensures the smooth running of the project. For some projects, monitoring the operating state of equipment is a significant concern. How does Delta S address this issue?
The Delta S is equipped with an LED display that shows the feature's power, mode, and focus in real time. This design allows project managers to monitor the operating status of each streetlight all the time, ensuring there are no failures during critical moments.
This is indeed a small design, especially in large-scale projects, where quick identification, the problem solving are essential.
Additionally, we offer an option super remote control that customers can purchase separately. This remote allows users to flexibly adjust brightness and modes, which is really convenient. Okay, this is our remote control. Now it's turn on the lights. Okay, and then now it's turn off the lights. Okay, you take a look.
So this is not a default feature but added-on based on the customer's specific needs, including the flexibility and applicability of the product.
That's right. Moreover, the Delta S has smart sensing features. For instance, the dual ring sensors can accurately detect raining conditions and automatically switch to one white light bulb. Enhancing driving safety, it also supports ambient light sensing, called ALS, which adjusts brightness according to surrounding light conditions. This is not only saving energy but also ensures comfortable road lighting.
This feature is especially important on highways and bridges. Correct? It provides better visibility for drivers.
Exactly. In rainy and foggy weather, the automatic adjustment mode significantly improves safety.
The Delta S seems exceptional in terms of intelligence and flexibility. What about durability? Many customers are concerned about how the luminaire performs in extreme weather, especially in areas prone to high winds and dust storms.
Our professional structural design ensures that the luminaire remains stable in strong winds in extreme weather, particularly in windy regions like the Middle East and Africa. The S long pickup arm level force design effectively prevents damage from high winds. We have also conducted water, dust, and impact resistant tests, as well as 72 hours sorted place test and 500 hours aging test to ensure it can operate reliably in various harsh environments.
It seems that this product maintains stability in extreme weather, reducing long-term maintenance pressure. For large projects, customers often have special needs. Can the Delta S provide customer services?
Absolutely. The Delta S can be customized in terms of solar panel size, lighting mode, LED color temperatures, and more based on customer requirements. We aim to deliver tailored lighting solutions for each project to meet the specific needs of different applications.
This is undoubtedly a significant advantage for projects with complete lighting requirements, such as bridges and main roads, where flexible customization is crucial. Thank you to our guests for their excellent presentation today. The Delta S Solar Streetlight is undoubtedly an outstanding lighting solution for large-scale projects worldwide. It excels in design and intelligent, helping customers reduce long-term maintenance costs while maintaining superior performance in harsh environments.
Thank you. We look forward to more customers experiencing the benefits of the Delta S in enhancing their project lighting.
If you are interested in Delta S and would like to learn more about customization options, please visit Sresky's official website for detailed and codes. Thank you for watching and we are looking forward to work with you.